I just need your attention for 3 minutes. This is my little dedication to Booker and Yana, so I need undivided attention, and I need everyone to be silent. Thank you. I read on the plaque one day these words that said, love sees with the heart, thinks with the soul, and grows greater as it's given away. It must be true because 23 years have caused Booker and Yana to say, the Bible says that love bears all things, believes all things, hopes all things, endures all things. Having true love makes you feel like you can fly away with wings, like wings of an eagle that make you soar and make you appreciate life even more. Now, Booker and Yana met with her having 2 children, Jerry and Javier. Now, he was there for the good, the bad, and did this child just say? It takes a big man or woman to help raise someone else's child. But believe you me, Booker, God never forgets, not even for a while. All right now. Born to the union of Booker and Yana was Janisha, his little niece. His love for her goes very deep. She's his princess. And she's his little girl. There's nothing in the world he wouldn't do for her. Fast forward, and now we're both celebrating, both Booker and Yana celebrating this big 5-0. Even the invitation say it ain't so. Now, get this. Booker was born on 8/8 and Yana 8/10. Only God could bring 2 people together like that. And the thought of it is insane, but in a good way. And I'm happy to say Yana is my friend. While at work, she often talks about the love that she has for her father, Robert Hammond, lovingly called King. Whenever she speaks about him, there's always a big smile, more than a grin. Now, my thought is that Booker had to be a great man in order for Mr. King to give him Yana's hand. Now, I know he's smiling down from you two from heaven because you're taking care of each other like you're supposed to. God gave man great instructions when he said that a man shall leave his mother and father and cleave unto his wife. That's what gave you a happy life. Now, I'm just happy to say that I'm here celebrating the 50 years for both Booker and Yana, and my prayer is that you guys will have 50 more and build each other up even stronger. Love